test number 12 of your class 5 English grammar, that is verbs, auxiliary verbs and modals. So let's begin with this lesson. A verb is a word that describes an action or working. क्या होता है ये वो words होते हैं. A verb is a word that describe an action or working. वो words होते हैं जो किसको describe करते हैं, कोई चीज हो रही है, कोई action हो रहा है या फिर कोई काम हो रहा है, ये verb को describe करते हैं. A verb tell us three things. क्या बताती है verb? हमें तीन चीजें बताती है. What a person or thing does. कि एक person or thing क्या कर रहा है. Like Vinita is going to school. Vinita कहाँ जा रही है? School जा रही है. Rajat can sing any song. कोई भी गाना गा सकता है. Neha plays volleyball. वो volleyball खेलती है. So what is done to a person or thing? क्या हुआ है? Priya is punished for naughtiness. कैसे punish हुई? Naughtiness के लिए. Fireworks are loved by everybody. Kites are flown by boys. What a person or thing does, इसके लिए भी यूज होता है कि कोई person or thing क्या कर रहा है. I am a man. These are fruits. Sorry, what a person or thing is, कि what एक person or thing क्या है, उसके लिए भी यूज होता है. Like I am a man, like man हूँ. These are fruits. ये fruits है. She is a poet. We are students. तो poet में हम students हैं. Now finite and auxiliary verbs क्या होती है? A finite verb describing the main verb of action of a sentence. Finite verb क्या होती है? जो main verb describe करती है एक और action describe करती है किसी sentence का. Every sentence must have a finite verb. हर sentence में एक finite verb जरूर होती है. We eat rice every day. हर एक complete sentence में finite verb होती है. Eat क्या है आपकी finite verb है. Rita reads in class 5. Reads is your finite verb. Children play in the park. Play is your finite verb. He paints picture. Paints is your finite verb. People of many ages live in India. Lives is your finite verb. So in our sentence, the verb eats, reads, play, paints and live are main actions done. क्या होता है? Main actions जो हो चुके हैं by the subject of sentences. They are finite verbs. इनको क्या कहते हैं? Finite verbs कहते हैं. And auxiliary verb is a helping verb. एक auxiliary verb क्या है? आपकी helping verb होती है. It has the finite verb to express the full meaning. ये क्या help करता है? Finite verbs की help करता है full meanings को express करने के लिए of the action and when the action happen. कि एक कब action हुआ है. The verbs am is are. जो verb है हमारी am is are, was were have had shall and will are main auxiliary verbs. क्या है आपकी main auxiliary verbs है. Now examples of these verbs. The deer was killed by the hunter. Was killed क्या हो गई आपकी auxiliary verb हो गई. She shall go to fair together. Shall क्या है आपका auxiliary verb है. The teacher is asking questions. This is also auxiliary verb. She has done her work. Has is also the auxiliary verb. So often the auxiliary verb is used alone and perform the action of a finite verb. अकेले यूज होती है. किस action perform करती है? एक finite verb का काम करती है. Like I have a red shirt. These boys are going good students. Sorry, they were fine players. He had a motor car. Now modals क्या होते हैं? Some special auxiliary verbs are called modals. जो special auxiliary verbs होती है उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Modals कहते हैं. The following words are called modals like can, could, may, might, ought to, must, dare, needs, shall, must, will, would, have to, has to, used to. ये क्या है आपकी modals है. Modals are different from the other auxiliaries. ये अलग होते हैं other auxiliaries से. That is MR, has, have, had. Like Manu has a red shirt. ये किससे different है? Auxiliary verb से different है. Like Manu has come to school today. Now the auxiliary verb has is used two different senses. यहाँ पे दो has जो आपके different senses में use हुआ है. A modal is always used in a particular and a special sense. Modal हमसे एक particular और special sense में use होता है. Auxiliary verb की तरह different senses में वो use वो नहीं होता. Modal with not are generally written in the short form. किसमें होता है? Not हमेशा generally short form में लिखे होते हैं. Like can not का क्या हो जाता है? Can not का क्या हो जाता है? Can't हो जाता है. Will not, won't, shall not, shan't, would not, wouldn't, must not, mustn't, should not, shouldn't, could not, couldn't, dare not, daren't, need not, needn't. So these were the modals used in short form. That's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.